Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Bert.
Maraming salamat, Laisel Galpo.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter natin.
Yun na nga.
So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out. Arellano has a chance to inch closer. Valencia with a spin. Yes! And the Chiefs are within one.
Turning the ball over. Ito yung atake ni Valencia. Actually, it's a 3-on-2. Kaya lang, di akin na to.
Hirap na, no?
Oo, di ba? Ano na lang eh. Talagang
Different lineup deployed.
they're really looking for final on that elevator action.
Ito na ang Arellano. Another chance to take the lead. Yes!
Ayun na nga.
And Valencia gives them their first lead of the game.
Kanina pa natin binabanggit na never pa lumamang itong Arellano sa ball game natin.
Kamay. Handoff to
They're
Valencia.
looking for Basti Valencia.
5 to shoot. Straight away 3. It's good! Basti Valencia with his first triple of the game, and Arellano has now extended their lead to 3.
Biggest lead at 3.
Kanina, isa na.
Oo,
diba?
ito 3 na at least. Kaya pala hinahanap nila si Basti Valencia. They're looking for Basti Valencia for